Hundreds of tradespeople are holding what they are calling a van rally in Westminster later to highlight the issue of tool thefts. It's being organised by the campaign group Trades United, which said the growing number of tools being stolen means thousands are losing their livelihoods. They're calling for tougher measures to stop them being resold at car boot sales and markets.
Deliver a message to the government that are current and the ones that are coming, that tool theft is no longer acceptable. Thousands of people have complained about it. They've done nothing about this. No more. This is not Scott.
This convoy is made up of plumbers, electricians, carpenters and builders. And they say London is a hotspot for this type of crime, but it's by no means exclusive to the capital.
I've been a victim of tool theft before. I had about £6,000 worth of tools stolen from this van. Reported it, just got a crime reference number.
Well, we can certainly hear this van rally here in Parliament Square. The more we could see it, there are literally hundreds of tradespeople taking part in this.
Best outcome would be some good punishment from the government. We need the government on board with it.
A lot of these tradespeople, of course, losing another day's pay to be here today. They're causing congestion here, and they say that's what we need to do now to get this issue heard and to get something done about it.
Vans are getting broken into, tradesmen are losing their livelihoods, and we need to put a stop to it so that we can carry on working and putting food on the table.
So much is at stake now, something has to be done. They want to see stricter enforcement of the existing laws and a clampdown on the resale of stolen goods at places like car boot sales and markets.
We're here because thieves are breaking into vans, stealing our tools and taking away our livelihoods.
Right, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. As you can probably tell, I'm in my van now. I am heading down today to London to Parliament Square along with probably 200, well hopefully over 200 other tradespeople in vans to do a rolling sort of convoy around Parliament Square to make the government aware of the pandemic, the epidemic that is tool thefts from vans. So the gas expert Schwab himself has put together, it started as a petition probably 2 or 3 months ago to try and raise, sorry I was trying to get through the traffic, to try and raise 100,000 signatures, which means that a petition will be pulled up in Parliament and spoke about in Parliament. Sadly, the UK Parliament has dissolved because we're heading into a general election. However, what we're doing today, we are bringing tradespeople from all around the UK, north, south, east and west, and we are all descending on London, on Parliament Square, to do a convoy. It's done by the police are involved. We've got Sky TV, BBC, ITV, everybody involved in it to get awareness so that hopefully the new government that are going to come in are going to see this demonstration we're doing today and go, do you know what, we need to address this. This is bad. It is bad. We all know how tool theft can affect our livelihoods. So we're heading down. I'm meeting up at Warwick Services on the M40 with Pointy Plumber and a few other people, hopefully. Then we're heading to Cheveley Services. I'm heading the west side of the people that are heading into Parliament. Then we're going to all meet, all the people from everywhere is going to meet at Brent Cross. Then we're heading down into London. So I'm going to take you along for the day, and hopefully what we're trying to do gets people talking, gets the government on board, gets everybody on board to help battle through tool theft, because something's got to happen. Right, let's go and meet up now and head down towards London and get things rolling with this tool theft convoy. Morning. Huh?
You're meeting him at Cheveley?
No, we've got to go from here, pull off at Bicester. He's in Bicester Park and Ride.
That plugs into there.
Oh, he's got that bit as well. So we got some walkie-talkies.
I just drove across pedestrian to get here.
Is it charged up?
It is, yeah.
I'll set that up as.
Box back then.
Oh right, okay, cool. Yeah. No, it's got that in. Sound real.
It's amazing.
We'll set then.
Hold on, yeah, hold on. So breaker 3-9. We've handed over the radios.
Smokey, this is the bandit. Come in.
you can be Big T. I'll be Little PP. So I read it right. Let's do this then. Right, let's go. I'll get a coffee when we stop at Cheveley.
Sorted.
Because I don't want to be late. Let's go. Let's go.
Right. Yeah, we're getting off a Bicester. Pick Mike up, then we're down.
What I do really is a trade, funny enough, is yes, I do love what I do. I sort of fell into what I love.
Right, we've just arrived at Cheveley Services and we've got some guys here with the vans already. We've gone around putting the stickers on, so obviously my van was already done. Pointy's van, we've put some on. Obviously my van's there, we've got a few on here. Make sure that's all right. And then these boys, these Climate boys, got them on there. Derek's van, we've popped some on. And then this fella's van here, big, nice, usually typical big white Transit. Bang, stands out a mile on the side. So we're waiting for a few more people to come. I think we're going to get a lot. I think we're going to get a fair few amount of vans down here. You know, within 2 minutes of being here, we've got the 5 vans here. There's 3 other places: north, south, east. We're the west team going in. So yeah, we'll get the rest of the stickers, which are here. We've got these sort of big arrows. Look, if you've been done, got holes in your vans, there for that. QR codes for the petition, and slogans and big petition stickers here. So yeah, let's get some more vans done. Right then, we just pulled in now, Brent Cross, parked up. My van's there, Danny Madden's van, Pete's over here with Andy Cam, Andy's down there. But the turnout is, you know, bang on. I mean, look at this. Got loads of people here, loads of vans, maintenance boys. So PB's over there, Kaz. How we doing, all right? Hey. How we doing, mate, all right?
How's it going, Tim?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. How are you? Police are here as well, keep an eye on things. But yeah, we're going to probably knock around here for probably an hour or so, 45 minutes or so, and then head down.
If you want to Tesco's, we've got a code for you.
You can't get away from this guy.
I've got a code for you. Put this code in and get 10%.
If I haven't got a code, this guy will have a code. How we doing, mate? All right?
I'm good, mate. How are you?
Good man, good man. So yeah, I mean, the turnout here is mega. Hopefully, as we go further down into London, we'll get some more people on. But yeah, we'll have a look round. 25% off everything, mate. I'm going to see if it works in Tesco's. But yeah, I mean, seems to be people everywhere, vans everywhere, which is exactly what we wanted. Get that awareness, get it in, and
put an end to it all.
Put an end to it all. But yeah, I mean, here's the guy that's thankful. You got to thank this guy for all of it. How are you doing, mate? Pleased with it? Look at the team. Pleased with the turnout?
Yeah, really pleased.
Mega,
and there's a lot more coming. So.
I know, yeah. So I think we need a bigger car park, don't we? Or we will do. I mean, we've still got what? We've got like 45 minutes from leaving here. So, you know, we're just going to get vans constantly coming in. I mean, look at that. Look at that for a turnout. And we're still going. But I'm going to go and grab something to eat now. And hopefully we'll make a bit of a statement down in London.
I need to be like, yeah, my business. Can't wait to see what that means.
Parliament Square, there's Schweb in front, van number 1, I'm van number 2, there's probably 100 vans behind us, horns going, air horns going, people taking photos, people filming it, people coming up asking what's going on, other trades vans that are just in and about London, on the horns, giving it a thumbs up. We need to stop this tool theft, and this demonstration, this rally today, is a huge way to help stop it. I mean, I'll get some more footage in a minute, but look at this, insane. So I don't know if you can make it out, just here we got the BBC News crew filming, we've got ITV over there, we've got another ITV camera down in front of us. I think Sky News are about somewhere. The police are shutting the road off over there. So we're certainly making a noise. We're making a noise about the whole tool theft thing. For the people that say it's not worth it, you never know till you try. You've got to get out there, you've got to do it, you've got to make sure you're making enough noise for Parliament. Big Ben's right in front of me just here. Let me spin it round if I can. Big Ben's here, we've got Parliament in front of us here. So yeah, we make enough noise, they've got to take notice. Right, we're now on probably loop number 2 of Parliament Square. The message is getting out there. I've been on Instagram Live, follow me on Instagram. I've been on Instagram Live showing everyone exactly what's going on, but yeah, I had an interview with BBC, ITV, we've got On the Tools here, Fixed Radio over there. Just everyone is out the vans, on the horns, like, yeah. It's brilliant, exactly what this is all about. Look at this, look, we're all the way around there, all the way. Yes, they don't take notice of this, they've got to take notice of this, look at this. Right, there we go. It is coming up for 2:45 now. The old bill have sort of put a stop on it now. Fair play, we did 4 or 5 laps of Parliament Square and we're now pushing back to Tesco's, but we're literally coming down. That's, what's that, Mike?
Buckingham Palace.
Buckingham Palace, that's the one. Buckingham Palace is literally right in front of us. So we're coming down the road, heading back to Tesco's. Won't be there for long, just to meet up with everyone from today, see how it all went. But yeah, what a rally, what a display. The message has definitely been put across, so that was the main aim for today, the petition. But as I said, unfortunately the petition's been dissolved, but I'm sure the new government that are coming in, well, they've got to take note. They've got to take note of what we've done today.
Good evening and welcome to the programme. First tonight, hundreds of tradespeople have taken part in a so-called van rally in Westminster to highlight the issue of tool thefts. It's believed to be costing businesses millions of pounds a year, and organisers say the growing number of tools being stolen means thousands are losing their livelihoods. They're calling for tougher measures to stop tools being resold. Miranda Shunker reports.
It's why 300 tradesmen and women gathered today in central London to make a noise about the epidemic of tool theft destroying their livelihoods.
I've got my van done a few times over the years, but there's lads here that have had their vans done 10, 15 times, cleared out, and then they know the following week the van's going to have tools back into it. They come again. They keep doing it, you know, and it's got to stop.
We do a radio show for builders in the morning, and one of the callers called up and he had all of his tools stolen, tried to commit suicide. Luckily his son stopped him, and we managed to raise enough money from a sponsor to actually get him back on the road and get him his tools again.
There's every type of trade taking part in this van rally, everyone from plumbers and electricians to carpenters and builders, and of course they're all losing a day's pay, but they want to see stricter enforcement of existing laws and a clampdown on the resale of stolen goods.
But people still buy it and they put them back in the boot sales. Boot sales are not regulated. All stolen tools are ending up in boot sales and no one's there to ask questions.
We are fed up! With so much at stake, these tradespeople hope sounding the alarm will help clamp down on the growing threat of tool theft so they can simply get on with the job. Miranda Shunker, BBC London, Westminster.